Operational panel. 1. Press the switch button after plugging in or during the working process to enter into the standby mode. 2. In the standby mode, press any of the 3 working mode selection buttons to start the production. 3. Adjust the hardness by pressing the hard or soft button to obtain the required taste if necessary. 1 gear of hardness means an adjustment of 0.36 Fahrenheit. The greater the hardness, the more amount of smoothie. 4. Press the light button to turn on or off the light inside the back part of the bucket. 5. Press the rinse button in the standby mode. The mixer will be driven by the stirring motor to conduct the inside rinsing. 6. The indicator light indicates the working status of the machine. 7. The hardness display bar indicates the default or the preset hardness of the mode.